Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to learn how to draw something super fun and easy, a ladder.
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw the sides of our ladder. Draw a long vertical line. Then, draw another one parallel to it. These are the two bars that hold the ladder together. Now, let's add the steps. Start at the top and draw a horizontal line connecting the two vertical bars. Then, keep going, add 4 more steps below. Wow, look at that! We've finished our ladder. Let's make our drawing stand out. Trace over the lines to make them bold and sharp. Look! Our ladder is dancing now.
Yay!
It's time to color our ladder with rainbow colors. Here we go. Red color for the top step.
La 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 la.
Orange color for the second step. Yellow color for the third step. Green color for the fourth step.
La da 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 dee.
Blue color for the fifth step. And finally, use purple color for the sidebars. Great job, friends! Look at our colorful ladder, it's amazing! Don't forget to show your masterpiece to your family and friends. Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're drawing something super cool and fun, a ladder.
Yay!
So grab your black marker and a piece of paper and let's get started. First, we'll draw the sidebar. Make an upside-down V shape. It looks like the sides of a ladder. Great work! Now, let's add the steps. Start from the top and draw straight horizontal lines across. Keep going until you have 3 steps.
La da 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 dee.
Next, draw another sidebar, just like the first one. Connect it to the steps to complete the ladder. Finally, let's add the little screws that hold the ladder together. Draw small circles near the corners of the steps. Nice job! Now, it's time to make the outline bold and sharp. Trace over the lines with your black marker to make your ladder pop. Awesome! Your ladder looks amazing.
Yay!
Now, let's bring it to life with some colors. Grab your color pens, and here are the colors we'll use. Brown color for the sidebars. Dark brown color for shading the sides. Gray color for the screws. Blue color for the top and bottom bar. Purple color for the sides of the steps. Yellow color for the top step. Green color for the middle step. Pink color for the bottom step. Isn't that colorful and fun? Great job, friends! Your colorful ladder looks fantastic. Don't forget to share your artwork and give this video a thumbs up. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super cool, a ladder. It's easy and fun, so grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw a big upside-down U shape for the main part of our ladder. Now, let's make it 3D. Add another curved line next to it so it looks thick and strong. Next, let's draw the steps. Start with 3 rectangles across the ladder. Make sure each step looks 3D by adding a sideline to the rectangles. Draw the first rectangle near the top. Draw the second one in the middle. Draw the third one at the bottom. It looks like you can climb them. Now, finish the U shape at the bottom. Great work! Our ladder is looking awesome already. To make our ladder stand properly, let's draw 2 more stands behind the main ladder. These stands are slightly angled and give the ladder balance. Let's take our black marker again and make all the outlines bold and sharp. This will make the artwork stand out and look amazing. Look! Our ladder is ready, and it looks like it's working.
Yay!
Now it's time to color. We're going to use rainbow colors to make our ladder bright and colorful. Purple color. Indigo color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Blue color.
La 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 la.
Green color. Yellow color.
La 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 la.
Orange color.
Ha ha! Yay!
Red color. Wow, look at our colorful ladder. It's so bright and fun. Great job, everyone. You did an amazing job drawing and coloring the ladder. Don't forget to share your artwork with your family and friends. Hi kids. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw and color a super cool ladder. It's so easy and fun. So, grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw two long, vertical bars slightly slanted toward each other. These will be the sides of our ladder. Now, let's add the steps. Draw horizontal lines connecting the two bars from top to bottom. Make sure to leave equal spaces between them. Awesome! Our ladder is coming together nicely. Next, draw another vertical bar slightly behind the ladder. Connect it with diagonal lines to the steps.
La da 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 dee.
Perfect! Now the ladder looks sturdy and ready to use. Grab your black marker again and go over the entire drawing to make the outline bold and sharp. Whoa! Doesn't that look amazing? Great job, everyone! Now it's time to color. Let's use bright rainbow colors. Red color. Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Wow, you did such an amazing job. Your colorful ladder looks fantastic. Don't forget to share your artwork with your friends and family. See you next time for more fun drawings. Bye bye.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.